Hi, nice to meet you. This is dopekicks23.cm. Okay, now here you can see this is the static adjustment 7 retro bordeaux 2050. And here the difference with the 2011 is the bottom of this part color. And we are more green color, and the 2011 is miniature color, green color. Okay, now I will show you the box. Here is the tall box. As you can see, is in 11 US yard size. Okay, and the logo is in golden color. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the quality. Here you can see I will show you the top box, the tongue part. The touch very soft. Here is the size tag, as you can see, and it's right in 2050. So this is the 2050 version, and we have this in stock. If you want, you can go to our website to order and purchase. Okay, as the bag has a 23 letter. Here is the bottom, so the whole quality is very good. Okay. So if you have any problem, please contact me, hit me up by this information. Okay, thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.